attack on migrant workers, Bengali-speaking Muslim migrant workers, is part of the mechanism of the Hindutva state to target a particular community. The state is clearly Islamophobic. It's been made very clear in the policies and in the way it behaves. But also here we have to see that Bengal, alongside Northeast and the southern states, don't fit very neatly in the political imaginary of Hindu nationalism. So an added reason to target Bengali workers in particular. Alongside that, we also find rise in xenophobia. People from the Northeast, young students like Angel Chakma who migrate to study, facing very brutal attack and then killed on 9 December last year by a mob. The sheer brutality and the sheer frequency and the pattern of it, the people being targeted, people from communities who don't fit the political imaginary of Hindutva very easily, is there for all of us to see.